Hey everyone, welcome back again with another awesome video. So in this video, we're gonna see how to install Java Development Kit or JDK in macOS. First of all, go to this URL and you can find the link in the description box or in the post. You can go and check it out. So once you have opened the URL, you can see currently I want to download JDK 23. If you want to download the 21 or earlier versions, you can still do that. But I would like to download the latest version. Now scroll down to macOS and here you can see you can have either Intel based laptops or M1 or M2 chip or any of the Mac chips. So in my scenario, I would like to download ARM64 DMG installer, or you can download a zip file as well. So currently mine is M2 MacBook Air, so I'm going to download this ARM64 one. Just click on this, it's going to download that DMG file. So once you have done that, you would see this one, the .dmg file. It's around 236 MB, and just to verify, I can see if you just type echo java home, you'll see I don't have any path defined in my system, so I cannot run Java commands. So right now let's try to install JDK. Just double click on this, it's going to open like this, and again double click on this and continue. I would like to install for all users, continue. Or if you want, you can change the installation, or I'm going to leave it as it is. Just to make sure, I'm going to have install, and I'm going to. So it's doing the installation. Yeah, so the installation is done. Let's see if we can. I would like to keep this as it is, because maybe if the installation has failed, I don't need to download again, right? So let's check if it is. I still don't see it, so let me close this and then reopen the terminal. So I have reopened the terminal. Now let's type java -version, and we have this the latest version that we have installed. Now the next thing is we need to get the path of the Java or JDK that was installed. So for getting that, we need to have this command /user. So this is a variable that is used within macOS to store the latest version. So let's say you have installed JDK 23 version, and in future you have installed 24 version. So you don't need to memorize the path that was installed for JDK 24. So this is the variable that macOS uses to store the latest version of Java. Now just type this command and then just enter. So this is the actual path in my system where I have the JDK, and this will be pointing to this one. So this is a variable just like what we have in any other languages, right? So this is the variable which in turn stores the actual path, right? Now we need to use this dynamic variable in declaring our java_home variable throughout our system. So for that, you say nano and then open this file, and by default, if you don't see any of this, you can manually add these commands. So this is the path variable, and this is the Java home environmental variable. Okay, so now let me try to add that command here. So let's say again, I think let me go back again. So let me copy this, and then again go back to the file. Now here I'm going to add $. So to get the path dynamically from this dynamic path again, So we need to use the syntax. So dollar, open and close brackets, so and then you paste it the path. So this is how you can dynamically get the path of your JDK and then set it into a Java underscore home variable. So once it is done, now you can see that we also have updated the path variable. Again, this is you have to use Java underscore home slash bin. So once you have done these changes, just click on Command X or Control X and then select Y to save it, and then click on enter. So now the file is changed. Just to verify it again, just go back again and you can see we have the changes perfectly synced up. So now let me go back again. Now if you can, I'm going to say Java underscore home. Just again see, sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. So if it is not working for you, just close the terminal and reopen it again, and you will see Java underscore home variable successfully been read. So that is how you install JDK and set the Java underscore home environmental variable path. That's it. I hope you really liked it video. Please do follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.